Alright guys, I'm gonna show you today, I was gonna put together the motherboard onto this chassis. This is the Corsair 7000X RPG model. This is really big, big case. So the previous case I had was this model. I'm not sure. The name of the brand is the Torrent Fractal. This is really nice board. I mean the chassis. Torrent Fractal. This is really nice chassis, but the problem is I was not able to install this the liquid cooling ICUE H170i Corsair 3-fan cooler, and even so the Micro Center told me that was the correct board. But anyway, the problem is I was not able to mount the liquid cooling horizontally, so only option I had to mount on the bottom, which is not properly installed. So I decided to buy this chassis, and now as you can see, I'm able to install right there. It's a proper installation here. But the problem I'm having is with this, I ordered on the Amazon, and let me show you something interesting. So as you can see, this is the power switch. The pins goes to the motherboard. This one did not come with the protective header, so it came like that. So I have to remove from the the case. Let me show you how I did it. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to use the needle. You need to use a needle, and you need to push up, not down. Let's see if you can see here better. You need to, I don't know if I can focus that better, but my lighting is not that great. You need to push up that plastic pins. So you need to push up gently, because it's very delicate, and you're gonna snap off very easily. So you have to push up, and simultaneously you gotta push out the cables while you're pushing up these pins. So I have not seen any videos. Maybe there are some floating there, but that's what I was able to remove the from here. And I'm going to put this one on the other. You see that now, these pins, so it's not damaged. And now I gotta put this one on the other the Corsair chassis. Let me show you how. Okay, as you can see, you gotta, I can't do it with one hand, but you got an idea, right? So I gotta push it in. Hopefully I won't snap in, and now it's in. You see that? That's it. Power switch. So we got it now. Reset switch and power switch. Now it should work. I think it does not have a polarity there. I'm not sure, but the worst case was, if it worst get worse, then you gotta switch it over that way. But anyway, this is how it's gonna work. Well, thank you for watching. If you have any comments, I'm sure, yeah, I would love to see the comments if you had the same kind of situation. I would love to hear from you as well. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Signing out.